Hey everyone, welcome back to Spot. If you're passionate about packaging design, branding, or creating realistic product mockups, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional snack bag mockup entirely in Affinity. We'll cover everything from building the mockup structure to adding realistic folds, glossy reflections, and eye-catching manipulations that make the design stand out. Let's jump right in. We'll begin by creating the background. Select to the pixel and add a new pixel layer. Apply a gradient fill using a dark blue color around the edges and a brighter blue in the center. Creating a clean studio-style backdrop like this. Next, let's add a subtle drop shadow beneath the snack bag to give it more depth and help it stand out from the background. Using the Shape Builder tool, create a custom shadow shape that follows the contours of the package. Pull the sides inward to mimic the natural shadow created by a standing snack bag. To make the shadow look even more realistic, apply motion blur. Go to Adjustments, select Motion Blur, and increase the radius to around 86 pixels. This softens the shadow and creates a more natural look. Now duplicate the snack bag layer and change its blend mode to multiply. This will help enhance the overall depth and realism of the mockup. Next, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over the snack bag using any color. Export only this rectangle as an EPS file, then remove it from the canvas. Switch to the Vector Studio and select the Place tool. Import the EPS file you just saved and position it directly over the snack bag. This EPS shape will act as our design container. Double-click the EPS layer to enter its editing mode. Then place your snack bag artwork inside the shape. Resize the artwork while holding Shift and drag it until it perfectly covers the entire shape. Once you're satisfied, exit the editing mode. Your design will automatically appear mapped onto the snack bag. To blend the artwork naturally with the package texture, select the design layer and change the blend mode to linear burn. This small adjustment makes a huge difference in creating a realistic printed packaging effect. Now it's time for the fun part, the manipulation stage. Create a new pixel layer and change the stroke color to a gradient using black, orange, light orange, and white. Select the brush tool, increase the brush size and hardness, and paint orange highlights behind the package to emphasize the design. These lighting effects help create the illusion of reflections on plastic packaging. Next, place images of potato chips, sliced potatoes, and fresh leaves on and around the packaging. For some of the floating chips, apply motion blur to create the feeling of movement, as if they're falling through the air. This simple technique instantly makes the mock-up feel more dynamic, premium, and visually appealing. And there we have it, a realistic snack bag mock-up created entirely inside Affinity. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Spot for more Affinity tutorials, mock-up designs, and creative design breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.